If you aim to improve your diet in 2025 for a healthier body and a clearer mind, this video is definitely for you. In an age where social media is flooded with fad diets and unverified nutritional advice, distinguishing between what's right and wrong has become more difficult than ever. Many people mistakenly believe they're eating healthily, while they may unknowingly harm their health. That's why, in today's video, I'll take you on a walk through the supermarket, not only to pick out the right foods for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but also to explain why they're good for your body, how to make smart choices that save money, and especially to expose certain foods that are often labeled as healthy, but are far from it. This will be a practical, easy to understand, and immediately applicable guide for anyone serious about pursuing a healthy eating journey. Let's get started. Breakfast. A smart start to a healthy day. Breakfast isn't just the first meal of the day. It lays the foundation for your energy, alertness, and mental clarity throughout the morning. When you choose the right foods, you not only feel lighter and more energized, but you're also investing in your long-term health. Here are 3 excellent options for an ideal breakfast. Simple, yet highly effective. First, look at the type of fat you use in the morning. In the past, butter was often considered unhealthy due to its saturated fat content. As a result, many people switched to margarine, a popular butter alternative believed to be lower in fat. However, with modern nutritional understanding, we know that margarine is often made from industrial oils like soybean, palm, or canola. When consumed regularly, these ingredients can promote chronic inflammation in the body. Moreover, margarine may contain trans fats, an added risk factor for heart disease. Instead, opting for grass-fed butter is a far better choice. It has a rich flavor and creamy texture, and is also high in omega-3s, vitamins A and E, and CLA, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. If available, consider trying European-style butter, which typically has a higher fat content, 83 to 85% compared to the 80% found in most American butter, resulting in a more luxurious mouthfeel, faster melting, and a richer nutritional and flavor profile. Next, talk about eggs, a familiar breakfast staple that isn't always equal in quality. Many people assume that labels like free-range or cage-free mean better nutrition, but these terms are often just marketing tactics. The hens are usually raised in confined spaces and don't have true outdoor access. Pasture-raised eggs are the real standout. These come from hens that roam freely on open pastures, foraging naturally on insects, wild greens, and grains. As a result, the eggs they produce are significantly more nutritious. Compared to conventional eggs, pasture-raised eggs contain twice as much omega-3, 3 times more vitamin E, and 7 times the amount of beta-carotene, a powerful precursor to vitamin A that supports vision and skin health. The good news? Pasture-raised eggs cost slightly more than regular eggs, yet they offer superior health benefits. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Finally, if you enjoy having bread for breakfast, it's important to be mindful of your choice. Many types of bread sold in supermarkets are labeled as whole grain, but are made from refined, bleached flour, later fortified with synthetic vitamins, also known as enriched flour. This kind of bread tends to spike your blood sugar, contains little fiber, and often includes refined sugars, industrial oils, or preservatives. A healthy loaf should have a simple ingredient list made from whole grains and free from soybean oil or artificial sweeteners. Look for breads that are high in fiber, at least 4 grams per slice, to help you stay full longer and maintain steady energy levels. If the bread has a slightly sweet taste, opt for those that use honey, molasses, or concentrated fruit juice instead of refined sugar. A quality slice of whole grain bread can be an excellent foundation for your breakfast. Pair it with eggs, a spread of butter, or some fresh vegetables. All great options. In short, a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated, but requires awareness and informed choices. When you take just a bit of time to select foods that truly nourish your body, you're setting yourself up for a more productive, happier day. And, in the long run, a stronger, more resilient state of health. Lunch. Sustaining energy, nourishing the body. If breakfast is the launchpad for your day, then lunch is your refueling stop, the moment to recharge for the second half. This is when your body needs a well-balanced source of nutrients to maintain energy, stabilize blood sugar levels, and keep you alert until the end of the day. However, due to busy schedules, many people resort to fast, convenient meals that often sacrifice nutrition. Let's explore 3 food groups that are convenient, easy to find, and incredibly beneficial for your health at lunchtime. First, let's talk about fish, an excellent source of protein that you can easily take to the office or prepare quickly at home. Canned tuna and salmon are 2 standout options. A single pouch of tuna provides about 18 grams of protein and costs around $6 per pound, making it an affordable choice for most budgets. Whenever possible, opt for wild-caught salmon from Alaska instead of farmed varieties. Wild salmon tends to have higher levels of omega-3s, lower mercury contamination, and a more natural nutrient-rich flavor profile. These packaged fish options are incredibly versatile. Toss them into a salad, form them into pan-seared fish cakes, or use them as a filling for a sandwich made with whole grain bread and leafy greens. Delicious, convenient, and nutritious. Next, if you're a fan of deli meats, often used in sandwiches or salads, you should be cautious about the common varieties found in supermarkets. Most of these processed meats are loaded with harmful additives such as refined sugar, genetically modified cornstarch, GMO, phosphates, carrageenan, a thickener known to cause inflammation, and artificial flavors. That's why it's wise to opt for clean-label deli meats with a simplified ingredient list and prioritized natural components. A great example is brands like Applegate, whose turkey slices may contain as few as 3 ingredients: meat, sea salt, and herbs. If possible, choose the organic version. But even the regular offerings from reputable brands like these are far superior to traditional, industrial deli meats. This small shift in your lunch choices can greatly reduce your intake of hidden chemicals and support a cleaner, more nourishing diet. Lastly, we can't forget about a familiar favorite: potato chips. Many people can't resist that crispy, salty crunch in the middle of the afternoon. However, most chips on the market are fried in industrial seed oils like canola, sunflower, or safflower oil, all of which have been shown to promote inflammation when consumed regularly over time. But here's the good news: you don't have to completely give up your favorite snack. Instead, switch to chips cooked in avocado oil, a far healthier alternative that's less inflammatory and still delivers that satisfying flavor and crunch. Many brands now offer these upgraded chips with the same great taste, but with ingredients that are much friendlier to your body. Lunch is the perfect time to recharge your energy and take charge of your health. Whether you're busy or learning to build more balanced meals, just a few smart choices and simple swaps can transform your lunch into something convenient, nourishing, and supportive of your long-term well-being. Dinner. Nutrients for recovery and rejuvenation. After a long day, dinner isn't just about filling an empty stomach after a long, busy day. It's an opportunity for the body to recover, replenish nutrients, and prepare for a deep, restful sleep. That's why instead of reaching for starchy, greasy fast food, you can create a delicious and deeply nourishing meal using simple ingredients with high biological value. Here are 2 ideal dinner suggestions, especially if you're committed to a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. First, if you're a fan of red meat, consider switching to grass-fed beef instead of conventionally grain-fed beef. The key difference starts with the animal's diet. Grain-fed cattle are typically fed genetically modified, GMO, corn, and soy, while grass-fed cattle graze naturally on wild plants and live in less stressful environments. As a result, grass-fed beef contains higher levels of omega-3s, more vitamin A, and CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, a compound studied for its anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. Not only is grass-fed beef better for your health, but it's also a more environmentally responsible choice. Many grass-fed farming systems today are carbon neutral, balancing their carbon emissions through soil and pasture regeneration practices. The best part, grass-fed beef is no longer out of reach price-wise. Retailers like Aldi and Costco now offer it at accessible prices, typically ranging from $5 to $8 per pound, making it a smart and sustainable addition to your dinner plate. Next, if you're a fan of seafood, salmon is a fantastic choice. But not all salmon is created equal. Many types of farmed salmon, though visually appealing, get their bright orange-pink color not from nature, but from artificial beta-carotene additives used to mimic the hue of wild salmon and deceive consumers. These farmed fish often have less nutritious diets and may be exposed to more contaminants due to overcrowded farming conditions. In contrast, wild-caught salmon gets its natural color from a diet rich in marine life. It offers significantly higher omega-3s, iron, and calcium, essential nutrients supporting cardiovascular health, the nervous system, and bone strength. Sourcing wild-caught salmon helps preserve natural ecosystems, benefiting both ocean health and human well-being in the long run. So when selecting salmon for dinner, always look for clearly labeled wild-caught options, not just for the superior taste, but for their exceptional nutritional quality. Dinner is the perfect opportunity to end your day on a high note, with a meal that's light, complete, and good for your body. Whether you choose red meat or seafood, thoughtful decision-making can turn every dinner into a powerful step toward smart, sustainable wellness. Drinks and daily habits. Small changes, big benefits. It's not just your main meals that affect your health. What you drink daily, from your morning cup of coffee to your daily probiotic habits, plays a major role in supporting gut health, skin clarity, immunity, and mood. You can create long-lasting, positive changes for your body with just a few simple tweaks to your daily choices and routines. Let's start with coffee and tea, two of the most widely consumed beverages in the world. When used correctly, coffee can do more than just boost alertness. It's also rich in powerful antioxidants, supports liver function, and can elevate your mood. But the real concern lies in how you prepare it and what you add to it. Many people, unaware of the hidden risks, rely on K-cups or prepackaged pods for convenience. When hot water passes through aluminum or plastic containers under high heat and pressure, harmful chemicals like BPA or heavy metals can potentially leach into your drink. Additionally, store-bought creamers are often loaded with hydrogenated oils and high-fructose corn syrup, which are known to cause inflammation, affect heart health, and contribute to weight gain. A simpler, healthier solution is to use pure ground coffee, brewed with a manual filter, or French press, paired with a splash of whole milk, real cream, or unsweetened almond milk. This way, you preserve the rich flavor of the coffee while eliminating harmful additives. When it comes to tea, it's also best to steer clear of industrial tea bags, which are often made from nylon, PET plastic, or bleached paper, materials that can release microplastics and chemicals when exposed to hot water. Instead, opt for fresh tea leaves or loose leaf tea, which are more pure, nutrient-rich, and free from industrial processing, especially varieties like green tea, white tea, or herbal blends. These not only taste better, but also offer more authentic health benefits. In addition, One of the key pillars of overall health is maintaining a strong and balanced gut microbiome. In recent years, scientific research has highlighted probiotics' crucial role in supporting the immune system, aiding digestion, improving skin health, and even influencing mood. One standout product on the market today is Seed Probiotic, a premium daily synbiotic with 24 diverse strains of beneficial bacteria. Its ability to survive stomach acid and reach the colon sets it apart, where these microbes can deliver their greatest benefits. Seed's dual capsule technology provides superior protection, a feature that few other probiotics on the market offer. Seed users frequently report noticeable improvements in regular bowel movements, reduced bloating, clearer skin, and overall well-being. Although it's now available in select stores like Target, it tends to sell out quickly. To ensure consistent supply and product integrity, it's recommended that you order directly from the official Seed website. You don't need to make drastic changes to live a healthier life. Sometimes switching out a tea bag, choosing a better coffee creamer, or adding a daily probiotic can help your body run more smoothly, leaving you feeling healthier, more energized, and ready to take on each day with vitality. Summary: what should you eat to truly stay healthy in 2025? Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated in a world overflowing with ultra-processed foods and conflicting nutritional advice. By simply returning to natural, whole, and easy-to-understand ingredients, you can improve your health in a sustainable and noticeable way. Start with nutrient-dense basics: grass-fed butter, pasture-raised eggs, and whole-grain bread. These foods provide healthy fats, high-quality protein, and natural fiber, all of which help regulate blood sugar, boost energy, and support cell regeneration. For lunch and dinner, don't overlook protein sources that are both convenient and nutrient-rich, like canned tuna, wild-caught salmon, or clean-label deli meats free of chemical additives. These options contain omega-3 fatty acids, essential vitamins, and key minerals, all vital for your heart, brain, and immune system. With just a few intentional food choices each day, you're nourishing your body and building a lifestyle rooted in clarity, strength, and long-term wellness. At the same time, it's essential to minimize your intake of industrial seed oils, like canola, sunflower, and soybean oils, refined sugar, and ultra-processed foods, the silent culprits behind chronic inflammation, hormonal imbalance, and long-term health decline. Even the smallest daily habits can make a big difference. Brewing coffee and tea the right way, avoiding plastic pods or industrial tea bags, and steering clear of artificial creamers, sugars, and additives allows you to enjoy the pure flavor and antioxidant benefits these beverages have to offer. And finally, remember this golden rule: prioritize real food with simple ingredients and names you can pronounce. No dictionary is required. Your body was designed to digest nature, not chemicals. These seemingly simple choices become the foundation of lasting health, a clear mind, and a vibrant life, not just in 2025, but for many years to come.